In this video, we're going to work on a problem that says, which sign makes the statement true? 378 question mark 379. So we need to figure out, is 378 less than, greater than, or equal to 379? And the way we can do that is first to understand how the greater than sign looks like and what the less hand sign looks like. So greater, just remember that the arrow points this way. If you picture a number line, the number line increases this way. So you're going greater this way. And on a number line, you're going less than by going this way on a number line. So just remember the arrow points towards the less of the number line. Okay, so if we have a chart like this, we have to always remember our place values. So we can write the numbers here. So 378. So the 7 would go here. And the 8 would go here. And then the other one, 3, 7, and then 9. So this would make it easy for us to compare all the numbers. So we could see you start at the hundreds and work your way this way to figure out which number is greater than or less than. So you look at the hundreds and both of them are 3. So we now move to the tens column. Both those numbers are 7. So now we move over to the ones column. And this number is 8 and this number is 9. So we know 8 is less than 9. So we know that 378 is less than 379. So let me just write that for the answer. 378 is less than 379. And that's it.